one-handed is tricky. Oh shit, lighten the gear. Gear shifting is an art. An absolute art form that I have definitely yet to master. But low gears are vital. It's a pro tip. Whew. It's definitely a good workout, and it's so beautiful. You know? Just out here with God. Everybody knows it comes out here, so you can feel it. It's in the air. This is Chelsea DT Foundation Trail. This is beautiful. We need more stuff like this. This is what pure Michigan is. Alright. Here we go. Woo! Up. If I had two hands, we'd ride that differently, but I don't. Yeah. And back to the climb. This is where those e-bikes really come in handy. Alright, that's it. We got 6.5 more to go. We're getting it.